In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using any Lenovo laptop model is super simple. Once you purchase your Lenovo ThinkPad, start by turning it on with the power button. Sometimes it will be located at the side, while in others it might be located here on the inside, either on the keyboard itself or right beside it. Either way, find the power button. In this example here on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1, it is located at the side of the laptop. It is also important to plug it into power. So if you haven't charged it yet, it is recommended to use the included cable alongside the power adapter. This will begin charging the laptop and ensure that it powers on, at least for the first time. Once you press the power button for a few seconds, it is going to power on the display, and you will boot into Windows or any other operating system that's shipped with the ThinkPad. You will have all of these functions here, so you can use the trackpad as a mouse. You will have the left and right clicks available. You can use this dot here in the middle of the keyboard as a pointing stick that also moves the cursor. You will have a webcam, a microphone, and you have the option to cover up this cam. Of course, I'm not going to go super in depth about how to set up your ThinkPad. I simply wanted to give you a rundown on how you can do the initial boot and the main functions here. Once you are in the OS, you will be guided through the process of setting it up. You can give your ThinkPad a name, create a profile, set up a password, and start downloading anything that you'd like. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.